Millie Kendall, the founder and inaugural CEO of the British Beauty Council, shares her beauty secrets, and it's a treasure trove of skincare, makeup, and self-care rituals. But here's where it gets intriguing. Her routine is a blend of high-end luxury and high-street affordability, a true testament to the power of beauty in shaping one's identity and confidence. Skincare secrets unveiled. Millie's dry skin has led her to discover a cleanser that leaves her face soft and supple, and she alternates between Riome's 3 Suns Balm and Teresa Tarmey's cleanser. But the real game changer is her tip for using a washcloth or flannel to remove the cleanser, a trick she learned from Ruby Hammer. This simple yet effective technique ensures a thorough cleanse, and Millie swears by it. Makeup is armor. For Millie, applying makeup is like donning armor, a powerful statement about the transformative nature of beauty. Her makeup routine includes a bold eyeliner, either Victoria Beckham's Satin Kajal Liner or Hilden Beauty's Silk to Set Kajal Liner, and a foundation from Chanel or Jones Road. She sets her base with By Terry Hyaluronic Pressed Hydra Powder and completes the look with a swipe of Sable Labs Moringa Lip Salve. Luxury meets affordability. Millie's beauty stash is a fascinating mix of high-end and high-street products. She indulges in luxury items like a 100-pound mascara from Hourglass and an LED mask, but also appreciates affordable finds like Hilden Beauty's eyeliner. This blend reflects her belief in the importance of beauty for self-expression and well-being, a sentiment echoed by the billions spent annually on beauty products. Hair care and self-care. Millie's bleached hair requires special care, and she relies on K18 products for repair. She prefers salon treatments, like a regular blow-dry at Haug in Fitzrovia, London, but also uses Josh Wood's Miracle System when washing her hair at home. And she can't live without Hair by Sam McKnight's Cool Girl Barely There Texture Mist, a product she believes every woman should have. Community and industry support. Millie's love for salons extends beyond her personal care. She advocates for the beauty industry, especially during British Beauty Week, where they invite MPs to witness the sector's impact on high streets. Her support for salons post-COVID highlights the industry's economic significance and the role it plays in people's lives. Body care rituals. Millie's body care routine includes Nux's refreshing After Sun Lotion as a year-round moisturizer and the Elemis Frangipane range for a luxurious scent. She values the importance of scent in body products and uses a scrubbing mitt for exfoliation. Her shower routine is elevated with L'Occitano's Almond Shower Oil, and she indulges in Aromatherapy Associates' Deluxe Deep Relax Bath Shower Oil for a special bath experience. Millie Kendall's beauty routine is a captivating journey, showcasing the transformative power of beauty. But here's the part most people miss. It's not just about the products. It's about the experience, the confidence, and the community that beauty creates. So what's your take on Millie's beauty secrets? Do you agree that beauty is a powerful tool for self-expression and industry growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below.